Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, August 2nd. I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on gold versus the dollar, I'm definitely still looking at this as a big uptrend. I still think it's a 1, 2, 3. I still believe we're in that wave 3 too, and I do expect it to hit this 161.8, which is a little bit above the $2,500 area before it makes a wave 4 and goes back up again and makes a wave 5. So taking it down to the weekly time frame, I definitely think this is all a wave 3 starting back here. This is a wave 1, this is a wave 2, and this is all subdivisions of the wave 3. So that would be a 1 of 3, 2 of 3, 3 of 3, 4 of 3, and we're likely in a wave 5 of wave 3, which could stop at the 50% or go up to the 61.8. I think the 61.8 is more likely because that lines up with the 161.8 I was just showing you on the monthly to finish off this wave 5 of wave 3. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, the trend is definitely back up. I definitely went back to my original analysis, which is right here is the end of a wave 4, and that makes this a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, and most likely we are in that wave 5 of wave 3. Definitely keep an eye on the $2,500 area. That definitely could be where it ends up turning, or it could actually go up to the 61.8%, which is up closer to the 2550 to finish off this wave 5 of wave 3. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, the trend is definitely up. Unless it actually goes down and breaks this structure very significantly, I would only be looking for longs. Yeah, we are kind of back up into this, order block area, and we are kind of at a Fibonacci level, so maybe a pullback is coming. But even if it does make a pullback, I'm definitely still looking for longs at the end of these pullbacks for the continuation of the uptrend. Taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, we do have non-farm payroll coming out today, which is definitely a pretty big news event for all the dollar pairs, so it should affect gold also. Really, I mean, we don't really have enough time to do it, I don't think, but it would be nice to see another pullback. If it does make another pullback, as long as it doesn't break this structure way down here, I am definitely looking for longs. I would expect it to go a minimum to the 2500, which is the 50% Fibonacci extension of wave 3, which is a very likely target for wave 5. But we also had the 61% Fibonacci extension, which lines up with my monthly time frame 161% Fibonacci extension. So I think the 2500 to 2550 area are the two very likely targets where this uptrend is going to end, which tells me that I really should continue to look for longs at the end of every single pullback I see. And if you were really doing so over the last week or so, if you were just looking for longs at all these pullbacks, you definitely would have a very significant increase in your trading account as of right now. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked out here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.